Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make hot chocolate. First, gather your ingredients: 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and a pinch of salt. You'll also need 1 cup of milk, preferably whole milk for richness, and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Make sure you have a small saucepan and a whisk ready to go. This simple recipe is perfect for a cozy treat. Now, let's start by combining our dry ingredients directly in the saucepan. Add the 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and that small pinch of salt. Use your whisk to thoroughly mix these together. This crucial step helps to break up any cocoa lumps and ensures a smooth, consistent texture when you add the liquid. A well-mixed base makes all the difference for a delicious drink. Next, pour in your 1 cup of milk. Place the saucepan over medium heat and continue to whisk constantly. This gentle stirring helps dissolve the cocoa and sugar while preventing the milk from scorching. Heat the mixture until it's hot and steaming, but do not let it boil. Once it reaches the desired temperature, remove it from the heat, stir in the 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and serve your delicious hot chocolate immediately. Now for the fun part, customization. Feel free to add your favorite toppings, like a dollop of whipped cream, a handful of mini marshmallows, or even some chocolate shavings. You can also experiment with a dash of cinnamon or a tiny pinch of chili powder for an extra kick. For more great tips and deals, including where to grab those amazing Little Trees Black Ice air fresheners, be sure to check out the description below. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your perfect cup of hot chocolate.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.